Welcome guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm switching it up. This is my first time doing a human hair wig review, so we're gonna learn together. All right, so the unit that I have is from Love Me Hair. It says, oh, I got water on the box. It says affordable luxury wig. So hair wax stick, comes with bobby pins, clip. It gives you an adjustable band to sew on yourself. Okay, and one more clip. So okay, alrighty, so I have the 13 by 6. It's 180% density and it's in a cap size medium. It has the medium, the M right here for the medium. I don't know if you can see it because the comb, there it is. It has a lot of combs in it. It has one comb right here in the crown. There's another comb on the left, and then there is another comb on the right. And I like this unit because it already comes with like a little cap on the inside. It's a lace cap, so if you can see that, it stops right where the not the baby hairs, but the edges, the hairline is. Okay, the lace is, ooh, the lace is a light brown, might be transparent. Put that on like so. Put that on like so. Ooh, 180 density, honey. Now, the thing is with this, the cap is already in there, so it's kind of hard to like keep it where it's supposed to go. All right, come on, cat. Come through, cat. Don't mind my Meek Mill braids, y'all. Like I said, we on quarantine. I can't get out to get my hair braided up. But the cap is, ooh, this cap fits nice. Oh, nice. And this is a cap size medium. Okay. Nice. I use my metal ones. They never let me down. Oh, okay. So, my bad head, hard head spray. Like, you're gonna have to cut some of the ear tab off. Yeah, you definitely gonna have to cut some of the ear tab off. Okay, I have my water bottle with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. What we can do with this 180 density. This is too much hair for me. I know some people like big hair, and I'm not one of those people. Most of my units are always body wave or just straight. So it's cute though. Oh, she cute. She cute, y'all. And then let me get a close-up because, mind you, I only used this bad head spray. This is making me think it got something crazy in it because there is no way it should be this strong in its own hairspray. But I ain't complaining. Look at it. Let me put a little powder. Just a little bit because I didn't bleach the knots. Let me get myself together. Okay. Oh my goodness. I don't normally do big hair. But, however, although stay up in the pools and always going places, but he's an asshole. He's a liar. He's a opportunist. It's terrible. That's a whole nother story, honey. That's a whole nother video. Let me know if y'all want me to do a video on it, because I guarantee you'll be like, what's his address? Let's pull up. Because that's the type emotion that he evokes. Sorry, y'all know my allergies. It would have been better if I just dipped my head in the shower. But I ain't feel like traveling all the way to the bathroom. Sis. Well, I might could get used to this 180 density, but that's only because it's wet, so it looks a little more flat. Like I would like it, but dry. What you say? Huh? Alright. Y'all know y'all can do other styles with it. If you wanted to do like that little top knot bun that people be doing, or if you had some cute like hair clips, y'all know I do got a couple hair clips. Let me look and see what I got. Y'all know I already had one that said Bella. I don't even know why y'all was acting surprised. Y'all already knew this too. It's cute or whatever. Cute or whatever. Well, I just want to say thank y'all for watching this quick tutorial. That was easy, wasn't it? It's less than 15 minutes. Like super duper easy. Thanks for watching.